Hello everyone, this is my first video about my dollhouse. It's a Victorian. As you can see, I got it on OfferUp and I wanted to do a video about showing off the before because somebody did such a beautiful job hand painting everything. I mean, they spared no expense with the detail. They put a lot of time and effort into this. They did a great job. It's just not my style, so I'm going to be changing it up. And I'm super excited to tell you what I'm about to do. Whoever made this, I'm sure they're not going to like my idea given what they've done to it. It looks just so pretty and girly, and I'm going to completely change it. So what I have in mind is to make it a little bit more dark and moody, like the way I feel that I would decorate my house if I lived alone and didn't have to think about what anybody else likes. I'm also a little bit on the creepy and morbid side, so it's going to be a haunted Victorian. Subtly haunted and full of oddities, but still haunted. So I decided that this part with there's like a velvety carpet. I hope I can show you. I've decided that it's so well done and it's still in pretty good condition. There's not like a lot of stains or anything on it. I'm thinking if I can figure out a way to dye it and then paint the molding, maybe I'll even keep this wallpaper for a little while, but I have to completely change the color and look of it because I need it to look older or more rich. Like it's definitely gonna change the whole color scheme. Like I need some darker, richer jewel tones, something that can make this house look a little bit more, I don't know, my style, a little bit more haunted, a little bit more dark and moody. I'm trying to go for like an elegant vampire type of house, if that makes sense. So I want it to look really nice. I'm super excited. It's gonna be fun. But like I said, I really just wanted to make a video that was fully dedicated to all of the beautiful talent, love, and effort that went into making this. Whoever made this for, I don't know, their child or their niece or whoever put some time into this, they just did such a great job. It's so pretty and the detail is incredible. The little lace curtains, there's molding around the floor in every room. It's just gorgeous. The talent to put that together, that's not my painting skill level, but I'm going to try and see what I can do to put this together with all the rest of my craftiness and see what I can come up with. I love Victorian homes. I love dollhouses. I haven't had a dollhouse since I was a teenager, so I'm really excited about having one again. And I mean, look at this. There are little plants drawn, every blade of grass painted, every stone hand painted. It's just incredibly detailed and gorgeous. And I promise I'll do it justice, even though it's going to be a completely different style. I love this clip because it looks so real. It looks like the sun rising into the room, and then you see my giant hand go in there. So I'm just taking off the floor. Of course, this floor was already there and it's already been peeling up because it's older, really thin wood. So I'm going to be replacing that floor. I haven't decided what I'm going to use yet, but these are just the very first steps of demolition and getting things ready for the whole transition. I'm super excited, so follow if you want to see how this thing transforms. And I'm on Instagram. I'm a photographer. I do a lot of different kind of creepy things all over my Instagram, so you can check it out if you want to.